Hi everybody, I'm Hisham with you on this video and to share with you my experience to plant garlic in water. All you need is a bottle with water inside and a head of garlic and the toothpick. The toothpick is fixed as shown on this video to fix the head in the bottle, and the way to have a little bit outside and the half inside water. So the experience, the first day of experience was on 15 March. Today we are 23. To share with you this experience and to know that you can get antibiotic, natural antibiotic at home, naturally made from simple equipments and free for you. If you like the experience, share it. If you like let your comments. Thank you for watching.